For this month's project, I'm going to show you how to make this cute LEGO Block Doorstop. This could be a wonderful addition to a LEGO-themed nursery or bedroom. To make your own, you need the following materials: a brick, craft foam sheets, water bottle caps, a hot glue gun, ruler, and a pencil. Start by measuring the brick along the edge of the craft foam. Use your pencil to make your cut lines. Cut out the foam and glue it to your brick. Add glue to the foam and attach one side at a time. Measure the sides of the brick and cut out a piece for each end. To complete the top, trace around the bottle caps and cut them out. Measure the height of the bottle caps and cut strips of foam to cover the sides. Glue the strips on the side and cut off any excess. Use some hot glue to add the pieces to the top of the caps. Add some hot glue to the bottom of the cap and add them to the top of the brick in 2 rows, evenly spaced. These can be done in any color and used all over your home. The foam is safe to use on hardwood floors, but also works great on carpet. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.